To get a card on Bybit, you first need to create an account on the Bybit platform. Go to the Bybit website and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your email address and create a password. After verifying your email address, log into your account and navigate to the Bybit card section. The Bybit card is a debit card that allows you to spend your cryptocurrency holdings. To apply for the card, you need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being at least 18 years old and having a verified Bybit account. You also need to have a minimum amount of cryptocurrency in your Bybit wallet. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the application form. You will be required to provide some personal and identification information, such as your name, address, and government-issued ID. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information to avoid any delays in the application process. After submitting your application, Bybit will review it and verify your information. This may take a few days, so be patient and do not try to submit multiple applications. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to activate your card. When your card is activated, you can use it to make purchases online and in-store, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. You can also use the Bybit mobile app to manage your card, track your transactions, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. It is essential to note that the Bybit card is subject to certain terms and conditions, such as transaction limits and fees. Make sure to read and understand these terms before applying for the card. Additionally, always keep your card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, getting a card on Bybit is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, meet the eligibility criteria, and apply for the card. By following these steps and providing accurate information, you can get a Bybit card and start spending your cryptocurrency holdings with ease.